Elegance Eyewear versus Ted Fencing, first game. Daniel SP, super power. Okay, game. Sige, sige, kain ka na. And out of bounds. Yellow ball. Red next. Ah, hindi. Yellow next. Unang nakakuha is red eh. Unang score, number 10. Number 10, Israel. 2 points, Israel. Jude, number 29. Pass to number 24. Pass to number 80. Pinasa kay number 29. Hook shot. Oy, tapang number 10. Teka, wala tayong shot clock. Kaya mo? Sabay? Sige. Number 11, Cruz drives in. Take a shot and no good. Rebounded by number 7. Meron. David, and there's a foul. Double dribbling. 37 to number 1. Air ball is spin. Number 10. Stolen by the big. Pass to number 1, pass to number 80. Keep going. 80 to 29 fakes. Oh, nice pass inside, but intercept. And it's a yellow ball. Salamat. 29, June. Pass to number 7, Doctor. Pass to 95 for 3. No good, rebounded by no one. Out of bounds. It's a yellow ball. Number 1. Pass to 37 for 3. No good. Rebounded by 22. Sumalaksak and 2 points by number 22. 23 para 23. Keep going. Napipindot ko. Tres na. 2 points. Kaya nga. 29. Pass to 80. To June. Pass to the beat. Pass to number 80. And a foul. 37. Foul on yellow. Okay. 1 point. Number 80, plus 1. Eleven. Pass to 23. 23. No good. Okay. Out of bounds. Dead ball, sir. Dead ball. Number 11. Intercepted. Intercepted. By 7-7. Sumalaksak. And 2 points. By Doctor. 37. 30. Sub. Doctor. All 6 ang score. Number 11. 11. Pass to 23. 23. Another one and 2 points. Doctor. Doctor. Spins. What a move. And 2 points. Two points and plus 1 foul. Substitution ref. Substitution. Okay, plus 1 from Doctor. Zero for 3 and no good. Air ball. And 3 points. Okay. In favor of Red now. Lead by 4 points. And there's a foul. Foul on number 24. Substitution ref. Sir Dennis! Dennis! Kailangan ko tulong dito. Red ball. Mandun lahat sa kabila eh. Doctor! 2 points. David! A foul. No. Wala. Nice steal. Doctor. Pass to number 80. Pass to 29 breaks. And it's a traveling violation. Traveling violation. 0-0. Pass inside. Intercept. Same ball. 11 seconds. Oh. Wala ko same ball. Pass to 95. Pass to Doctor. Wow, what a pass. And no good. Good. Keep going. Double dribbling. Last 30 seconds of the first quarter. Twenty seconds. 16 seconds. 13 seconds. 12. 10. 9. 6. 5. 3. 2. And that's the end of first quarter. Yellow ball. Okay. Nakapatay yan. 37 for 3. No good. 37 takes another 3 and it's good. 3 points. Another 3. No good. Rebounded by Saldi. Number 7. Pass to Saldi. Saldi for 3. No good. 24 agad pagka nag-change possession. 2 points by number 37. .37. Foul. Yellow. Stop. Hindi. Pag pag offensive rebound. Ayan, reset na yan agad. Out of bounds. $15 seconds. 10 seconds shot clock. 6 seconds. Reset agad. Sa tuwing tatama ito. Number 80, pass to June. No good. Tapos post mo muna. Ayan. Ayan, pagka inbound, pwede mo play ulit. Dead ball. 29. Pass to Doctor number 7. Pass to Saldi. Saldi to June. 29. To Doctor number 7. Doctor. Doctor drives inside. At malakas. Number 10. And there's a foul. Substitution rep. Substitution. Substitution rep. You know. 37. Pass to 99. 99. No good. Same ball. 11-second shot clock. Shot clock. A traveling. Substitution rep. Substitution. Number 80. Oy! Sayang na sayang talaga. Doctor. Pass to 95. Pass to Boss Saldi. Saldi for 3. And 3 points. Okay. Two points by number 11. Marunong na yun. Warning! Yellow, warning! Doctor, number 7. Pass to 95, 95 for 3. And no good. Rebounded by, keep going. Rebounded by 11, nagmamadali. At 2 points. 2 points from number 37. Saldi to Setar. 10-second shot clock. 95 for 3. 11. For 3, no good. 29. Pass to 95. 95. And no good. 37. 37, pass to number 1. Number 1. No good. Substitution, Rex. Substitution. Wala. Sir Michael. Patulong dito, sir. Maglalaro na tong isa. Maglalaro na tong isa. Patulong ako. Ha? Naglalaro ka dyan? Player daw siya dun. Okay. Number 11. 3 points. Live ball eh. Live ball. Mamaya, pag live ball, hindi pwede yun. Live ball, sir. Live ball. Eh, 2 points. Oo, yun nga. Pag live ball, hindi pwede. Oo nga. Shaldi.
Here.
Substitution red. Oh, timeout red. Timeout red. Okay, back to the ball game. Number 18. Thirteen.
Ito rin, no? Pang dito pati. Malakas pati. Malakas pa yung dito. Ito, ang dami ka nalakas sa ito. Pandid lang naman ito. Ito rin, no? Ako ayaw ibaba eh, tas kayo bababa.
Substitution red. Substitution. No count. No count. No count. Red ball. Same. Same ball.
Sa ilalim daw.
Same ball. Same ball. Ay, wala pa rin talaga. 11 seconds. Oh, nice block. 5 seconds. 3, 2, and that's the end of the first half.
Yes, boss! Hey, naka muna rin. Boss, walang LC eh. Running time lang naman niya, running time lang naman. President lang naman ako eh. Kaya, ipagkakal tayo dito sa chat. Alam mo ano, sino dito? Ayan, 22 yan, boss. 22. Ito. Isa lang. Who's foul ref? 24. third.
Boss, dito ka na boss. Last quarter lang sa kabila eh.
Third pa lang yun. Third pa lang.
Third ka na ba ron?
Oo, third pa lang.
Natabuhay mo pin ah.
Gusto pa lang, gusto pa lang.
Zero, zero. Zero, zero boss. Stop. Boss, zero, zero. Yes, boss.
Nawala sakit ng tuhod mo yun. Akala ba sa tuhod mo? Pag naglalaro, wala ka.
Oh, si Boss Mike naglalaro na rin sa kabila oh. Tabla na ah. Push foul, ref! Push foul! Yes, boss! Sab daw, sab! Tuloy! Teka lang. Sab!
Pagpapasok ko yan. Kasi pwede na mag-sub, dahil isa na eh.
Sab, pagpapasok.
Pumasok na yung isa. Pero parang disipin tayo.
Ilan bang penalty shot dito? 5? Okay, warning for penalty. Tatlo pa lang. Ha? Tatlo pa lang. Tatlo ba? Tatlo pa lang. Dito ba ba ako? Nadagdagan mo na. Tatlo pa lang. Tatlo, ha? Tig-tatlo boss, tig-tatlo.
Sa kabila mo lang tayo.
Ayan.
Gamay na gamay mo yun ah.
Walang pumasok. Walang pumasok.
Isa lang ang third camera. Isa lang. Kuya.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Welcome to PBA Original. This is the opening of our winter season. Okay, go for yellow ball. Koyan Crane, try to intercept the ball. At naagaw ng yellow. Yellow to Dilaw. Agaw by Zaldi. Back to number 95. 95. Passing back number 15 for 3. Yeah! Zaldi! Number 15, 3 points. 1, 2, 3. Tama ba yung score ko mga kapatid? Naagaw na naman ng pula. Back to road number 2-3 on the layup. Lefty, another 2 points for the red team. Here comes Lady Bella, the first lady of Pibao. Thank you for the drink. Okay. Okay, subs. What is it? Timeout? Timeout? Sino nag-timeout, boss? Okay, this is a very hot day today. I think it's about 38 degrees inside and 30 plus outside degrees. It's a very nice warm weather for the opening of PBA Original. Okay, back to the game. Yellow ball. Number 11 on the dribble. Ayan na. Atake na sila. Looking to sit up. Okay, number 13. 13 back to 11. 11 to the kara. At naagawan ng 99. And we have a 3-second violation. Timeout red. Timeout red. Our score is 26-32 on the board. Okay, yellow, same ball, same ball. Called by the ref, same ball. Saudi missed the 3-point this time. 37 for the layup. Nice 2 points, easy 2 points for number 37. Here comes number 29, June, passing to number 7, Dr. J7. Almost got intercepted. And a foul. Number 7 got a foul. And that is the first foul of the fourth quarter. Gin to ah. Merong gin. Thank you. Yes, we've got 1 point for number 7, the free throw line. Last shot. And he got it again. 2 points for number 7 on the free throw. Dalawa. Double zero on the dribble, trying to set up the ball. Cutting by 37. 4. That was a good shot. Rebound by number 7, right again. Unfortunately, he's got the double dribble. Sorry, pare koy. Okay, dito na naman yung point guard nila. 0-0. He's asking for the screen and a jumper. There was an okay. Sino foul natin, ref? 95 foul. Alvin, naughty boy. Foul ka, naughty boy. $37 for 3. A little bit short, a little bit short. Ayan na naman si Saldi. Going for 3. Missed again this time. Rebound na ni June. Ang lakas ni June. Missed in the 2-point attempt. Ayan na. Easy lang kayo dyan, boys. Easy lang kayo. Ang lakas number 7 rebound. Pass to Zaldi again. Naagawan ni number 12 for a layup. 2 points, number 12. 2 points. Ayan na naman. Yellow is calling for pressure. Agaw na June. Napasa, intercepted by 0-0. Ayan na naman sila. Maglalayap si number 12. And missed it this time. Rebound by 37 na miss ulit. Ayan na. Pinasa kay Alvin. To number 7. For a turnaround. And missed the boarding shot. Ayan na naman. Number 23. Missed the shot. Nangihingi ng foul pero walang foul. It's all good. Dr. 7 for nice boarding. 2 points, number 7. Dr. 7. Oh, next dead ball. Next dead ball. Next dead ball. Boys, can just sit down a bit, please. Thank you. And a foul. Just wait. 35 foul. Subs, please, ref. Subs yellow. Sino naka-foul? Red bang foul? 3 foul? 25, 3 fouls. Na-miss ang dalawang shot ni number 10. Rebound na naman si June. Number 7 got it. And niliparan siya ng dalawang dilaw. Nag-shoot naman si number 7 sa free throw line. Ang galing-galing talaga. 1 point, number 7. Last shot. And na-miss. We have a foul. Foul ba? Foul? Okay. Foul on 33. Naga na naman ni Dr. 7. Ray Sitjar. What a pass! Number 11, 2 points. What an unfortunate pass. Red ball. Sitjar dribbling the ball. Calling for a setup, calling for the screen, and na foul. Ang lakas ni Batang Crane for 2-0. No! Missed again. Back to yellow ball for fast break. And a miss shot. Ang galing ng rebound. Good recovery by yellow team. Recovery by yellow team. Number 80 on the dribble. Ray Sitjar. Back to Dr. 7. And a turnaround for a boarding shot. Noise! Here comes the yellow.
Oop. Same ball. Subs yellow, please. Ito lang. Naagaw na naman ng red. Here comes Dr. 7. Dr. 7 for a layup of 2 and 1. Tika lang. Tika lang. Pag kinuha ng ano. Okay, subs. Thank you, ref. Subs yellow. Subs yellow. Number 7 again. Paborito talaga ni number 7 ang free throw line. Napakalakas number. Oh, tsaka si another number 7 on the yellow, Rasado. Okay, subs again. Are we good for subs? Subs in your red. Subs in red. Wala nang sasab, ha? Okay. And 1 for number 7 on red. Eleven for 3. A little bit short. Rebound, almost rebound. Rebound by John. Binalibag. Na-intercept ng number 11 ng yellow. Same ball on red. Red ball. Ang galing ng para. Kaya lang na miss. Sa sobrang init na miss ni Rod. Na-intercepted. Same ball yellow. Okay, we have last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes, boys. Thank you. 2 points. Yellow ball, 2 points. Ayan na. Nagkro-cross over na. Team Yellow's looking, asking for a pressure. Using time. Ang galing ng pasa. Again, the Batang Crane got the 2 points. Rod Siao. Naagaw ni Dr. 7 again. Using the time by the red team. Okay. Oh, dead ball, please. Dead ball. Yeah. Ayan na. Using for 3. Ayan na. Magdadunk. Rebound na naman ni Rod. Ni Sityar pala. Sityar. Dr. 7. Back to 29. 50 seconds on the clock. What a shot by Dr. 7 again. This is the MVP of the game. Player of the game. Uy. "30 seconds on the clock." Ang galing ng pasa. What a cross. Na foul. Teka lang. Wait up. Okay, subs in. Hintayin niyo muna kung sinong foul. Hintayin niyo ang ref and then pasok kayo. Thank you. Last 27 seconds on the clock. 1 point. Red's calling for sub. Pag pumasok ang bola. They got a 2 points, man. 2 points. 2, 1. End of the game. Thank you, boys. Please shake hands. Thank you. Congratulations to the red team.
Sure.